Hi, I'm Dr. Marianne Cintron, founder of Step by Step Dyslexia Solutions. We're a 501c3 nonprofit organization, so if what I say inspires you, please go to our website and it's dyslexia-solutions.com /donate because I have some great information to share with you today. I've been an educator for 21 years and a classroom teacher for 10. I've been writing IEPs for 10 years. Those are individual education plans. And do you know a lot of students were eligible under specific learning disability because of a discrepancy between their IQ and comprehension scores? So the reason I am inspired to share this video today or podcast, it's because a lot of adults have been coming to me to be assessed for dyslexia. I provide an affordable assessment and it's quick. So you can empower yourself with knowledge. You can take a report to your school and we can get help for your child immediately. So I've had a couple of high schoolers come to me recently, well, their parents, to assess the high schoolers for dyslexia. And I find it very interesting. By the time the kids are at middle school and high school, they've memorized a lot of words. So their reading may seem okay. And their intelligence is average or even high. And I've seen some pretty bright students this past month. But one student in particular had comprehension scores of a 5th grade level, and he is a sophomore in high school. So in looking at the other assessments I give the student, the cognitive or reading, I do phonological assessment, and I use some of the Orton-Gillingham recommendation for phonological awareness and placement for students to see where their breakdowns are. And so it's interesting, these students are breaking down with the vowel teams. They don't know I before E. They don't know OU. They don't know the vowel teams. They don't know contractions. They don't know syllables. So these are strategies they need to be taught explicitly with an Orton-Gillingham-based multisensory structured reading program. So this student that I just assessed is eligible. He meets the eligibility requirements for dyslexia based on Ed Code 56335. There needs to be a severe discrepancy in there needs to be three eligibility requirements, a severe discrepancy between cognitive and academics. Now, it doesn't have to be his overall reading score because some areas might be high and then his comprehension is so low that it gives him an average score. So Ed Code allows you to find one area that falls 2 grade levels below or more. So his comprehension qualifies in that area. Thirdly, there needs to be phonological awareness issues. So dyslexic children add and omit letters and syllables when they write. They won't punctuate their sentences. They don't capitalize their sentences. Even kids whose writing you can read because they may not have dysgraphia, their neat writing still has all those letter omissions and syllables. So I want to urge you parents, reach out to me to give your student an assessment, and you need to ask for a written assessment. You need to write a letter to your school to assess your child if you suspect dyslexia, but it sure helps if you have an outside person like me give you some paperwork. It will save them thousands of dollars. It'll save you a ton of time and your student can get services immediately. Now, I understand there's some state testing going on, and this evaluation that I can give your child will put your child on the top of the pack, of the top of the stack to get to have him looked at. So after you request in writing that your child be assessed for dyslexia or for specific learning disabilities, qualifying with reading comprehension, the school has 15 days to get back to you. And then you have to see everything you want assessed. But then they have another 50 days to actually give the recommendation of what they're going to have, what kind of help they're going to provide your child. So look at all that time we're wasting. Reach out to me today. I'd love to help you. Please subscribe to this channel and hit like and share it if you would. And if what I have said has touched your heart, we are a 501c3, so I'd appreciate donations to help get the messages forward. And Dr. Marianne Cintron, our website is dyslexia-solutions.com. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.